Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is June 12th, day after a USDA report that basically came out showing very minimal change. No big surprises off that report. Had a lot of the trade kind of guessing, well, what's next? Some of the focus maybe on the report here at the end of the month. We're going to have quarterly stock report as well as acreage numbers coming out. Guys will be focused on that as well. But for the meantime, right now, corn down just 1/4 cent. Beans are up about 4.5 today. Wheat up about 0.5 cent. Very light trade. Export sales were released moments ago. Old crop, they were looking for 250 to 500,000 tons. Came out for corn. Came out at 409.7. So within expectations there as far as corn. Beans looking for a return of 100 to maybe a purchase of 100, and they did buy some. So this would be favorable, much like it has for the last few weeks. Any kind of old crop purchases right now for beans look to be or could find the market act a little friendly. But 86.7 was the number that came out there. New crop corn, neutral. Same thing with beans. No major surprises there. The only thing for new crop wheat, 507,000 was what we had booked there. 200. The estimates were 250 to 450. So that 570 number comes out above expectations there. That may give a little support to the wheat market here this morning as well. But you've got Informa that comes out with acreage numbers tomorrow. We've got the Goldman roll wrapping up their roll here today. So the pressure that we've seen on the old crop as we've seen positions shift from that old crop contracts to new crop, that's going to be done. We're going to see that roll stop, and there are a lot of guys talking these spreads already, specifically in beans with tight ending stocks and beans for old crop and potential big acres on new crop. We could see that spread start to widen out as we go into the next few weeks. The weather right now, it is bearish, and it's going to continue to be looked at as bearish. We do have temperatures warming up over the next few days, but good rain still expected in these shorter range forecasts as well as long range forecasts. So it looks like we're going to continue to get these rains and no major hiccups as of yet. So very ideal as far as weather. Probably going to see conditions remain very good once again this week. So we'll see what happens here as we move forward. But we are looking for rains to continue over the next several weeks. In livestock, cattle up 45 right now. Box beef coming in mixed with choice down 59. Select up 60 cents. We've seen some choppy markets over the last couple days, but still waiting to see cash trade here this week. As far as hogs, down to 32 cents. Cutout values down $1.40. Now we've seen a very good string of positive wholesale pork prices. Now we're setting back a little bit there, down $1.40. So not surprised if we do see some profit taking, or we see a little bit of a pullback here in these markets for the short term. But overall, still looking at the trade is still looking at potentially tighter stock numbers. And looking for this PED issue to still hit the market. So what kind of effects are we going to see from that? Some of the outside markets right now that are being watched closely. Crude oil is up a couple dollars right now, as there's a lot of chatter out there of Islamic extremists moving across Iraq and threatening a pipeline. So we've got more geopolitical tensions now that are starting to be stirred up a little bit, giving some support to that crude oil. We also had initial jobless claims coming out today. The expectation was down 2,000. We actually got an increase of 4,000. So that's a little negative on the market, as well as retail sales coming out. Sales were higher over last year, 4.3%. Over last year, but still below expectations. So right now, stock market is down about 6 points. Gold is up $3, silver up 12 cents, and the dollar right now down about 3 as well. So give us a call if you guys have any questions at all. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538, or check us out right on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.